whatever these petitions were filed, they have also raised an objection to the relevant point of time which were not decided by us. And in these questions, we'll be able to point out, my lords, that they are cancelling the questions, some questions on the basis of printing errors. And in some questions, they are saying that this is proper even though there is a printing error. There is a discrimination in the way that they have treated questions also.
Whether it was referred to experts like a...
Independently, yes. And in this case, yes. We did our exercise. After obtaining objections, it was forwarded to an independent expert. I have filed my detailed affidavit. And the documents upon which he has relied, everything is on record.
Who was that expert?
Because there were total 7 subjects. So different experts in their subjects were given the objection.
I understand, but what was the qualification of expert?
So because we have not disclosed it, but I can tell the Honorable Court who were the experts.
That is important.
Yes, definitely. Definitely, sir. I can give to the Honorable Court who are the experts. Because ultimately, those people who are experts in the subjects, the paper contains 7 subjects. So it was, the paper was set by 7 experts in the subjects. After obtaining objection, it was given to different experts in the subjects, 7 different experts in the subjects. I will definitely tell the name and the qualification of those people. There is no hiding from our side. We will
like only a prolific batsman can give tips about batsmen.
No.
Even if he has played 10 tests.
Yes, sir.
A bowler who has played 100 tests cannot advise the batsman.
Definitely,
so
sir. I will definitely tell
what is required to be considered.
Sir, I will give the names of those people who has revised those objections and your opinions. Definitely, that is.
And who choose those experts?
Commission. Because we are having the name of the experts to whom we normally give the papers to set and the.
Who say yes to you every time?
Yes, sir.
Who say yes to you every time? That yes, whatever you have done is right.
No, sir. They have also given up.
Have you formed a panel of experts who suits you?
No, sir. It is very difficult for us to get the experts to whom we can rely. Otherwise, the sanctity is there, privacy, secrecy is to be maintained. So we have.
Record ઉપર noting કરેલું છે?
I will definitely place those. Yes. On the file is there, sir.
Okay. Because all these factors, we have only a limited.
No, sir. हमारे पास एक आखो database है, and we keep the name of the experts and to whom we avail the services.
And what is the taste of determining their loyalty, expertise, secrecy, privacy, all that you argued right now?
No, sir. I just data રાખતા હોય
એટલે એવો કોઈ તમારી પાસે parameters છે કે આનો ભૂતકાળમાં bitter experience થયો છે એટલે now he will not be given any.
હા એવું થાય થતું હોય ઘણામાં જો થાય we don't give.
But એટલે what is that yardstick or parameter which would?
So normally we rely on that because when we invite the applications, we also seek the opinion of some other people, that recommendation that of some people that who is recommending that person. Because it's an internal, but I am aware about that they are seeking recommendation that whether this person is proper or not. And they are highly qualified, sir. Principal and out of Gujarat also they are there.
So being qualified and being expert are 2 different things.
I'm having, sir. If the Honorable Court directs, I will definitely place those names on that.
Place
everything. Sir, record open to the Honorable Court because we will not be able to disclose it to the public. We will definitely give it to the Honorable Court. There is no harm. The Honorable
Court. One of the exams where the level of questions was of postgraduate. The experts were the teachers who were imparting education in higher secondary school.
Sir, in this case, I will list the name of those experts with qualification and where at present they are imparting education. If definitely, sir. The scope is very limited. Their judgments, my London friends refer to Nagpur, but there
scope is limited. But if the exercise is already undertaken,
and yes,
then whether that exercise undertaken is really by expert or that's merely an eyewash.
Because we have placed those relevant documents upon which they have given the opinion. It is on record, sir. We have placed the material upon which they are relying. That's why they are right. When they are right, yes, we have the expert has said that they are right. When
And
they
why
are-
every time you will have to rope in experts? Why your paper setters are so irresponsible
not
that
be-
they set the paper in such a way that every time, whenever they set the paper, it gives room to some controversy or other. And
But
every
we
time
take
to
care-
save your face, you will have to refer the matter to experts.
So in this case, we did prior to that. After receiving objections, we send it because it may not happen that the same person is scrutinizing whether the answer is correct.
What
or
was
not.
the nature of questions that troubled you?
Yes.
My lords, there are a different set of questions. There are certain which are related to science, geography, with respect to law, and there are different sets of questions. And in fact, I have just bowed down to what my lords were saying with respect to referring the questions to experts in the previous set of petitions, serial number 21 to 29 methods. There also, Mr. Joshi had placed a report on record, which was referred to the experts. And later I just found out by the coordinate bench that those experts were in fact the paper setters of GPS. There was no independent exercise which was conducted. Thereafter, the coordinate bench directed an independent exercise to be carried out.
It's the usual practice. They don't distinguish between who is the expert and who is the paper setter. Whosoever sets the paper becomes expert for them, and then
And my lords, in this also, in their affidavit and reply, the report which is produced on record, there is the question is there, the answer is there, and thereafter the opinion is there. The title of that opinion is decision of GPSC/expert. They are not even saying if this is decided by GPSC or by the rector.
हमारे पास होता नहीं सब expert setup. We don't have any experts in-house. Experts we don't have. I will satisfy once the matter.
then you should not have undertaken this exercise if you don't have the experts.
No, sir. In-house नहीं होता. We have a database to whom normally we give. And it is not limited.
What is
There are
the
several-
criteria to
Sir,
choose the
if
expert?
the Honorable Court wants the name of those people, I will
No,
definitely.
not criteria.
Yes, sir.
The criteria of selecting the expert. Who will fit into your definition of expert?
So normally, as I understand, the GPSC invites different applications from the
Mr. Joshi, it's like
academicians who are experts in the
One-
subject.
one person has received the sanat just before few days. Other is practicing since years. And the third one would be a designated senior advocate. Whom will you call expert? All three are having license to practice.
Then, sir, I was told that when the
Whom
application is
according to you
given-
can be said to be expert?
Sir, normally we also ask their experience that how many papers you have said, whether you are
Setting a paper is very easy. Setting the paper without committing any mistake is difficult. A person may have
we
said
take care,
1,000 paper,
we
but
always
out of
take care.
1,000 paper, if he has committed mistakes in 999 papers, he cannot be termed as expert.
Definitely. No, sir, we take care of everything, in fact.
What is that? That's what I want to know.
I can place the names of those experts and
એના નેમ નહીં આપો
No.
તમારી કન્સિડરેશન શું છે
But that
expert ને
also-
પસંદ કરવા માટેનું?
I will also tell them, I will inquire from the commission that what are the, because that
If a person is residing
Yes, yes.
just across the road and is just within the eyesight, will he become an expert?
No, we have to see what is his qualification, what is his experience in the field, whether he has set papers for any
Therefore,
other
whether you have any
institution or
you have
not.
any set standard to choose the expert, or it's a matter of your discretion?
So GPSC, there is not only chairman, there are members also. The commission does it.
I am not asking you about your composition.
No, they decide that who should
But
be
એટલે
that person.
therefore
It is
it's a
not
matter of
one person.
discretion.
Yes, sir.
So anyone can say that I know one person who is good
No,
at
they will
physics
not
or
do
who is good at
But they
chemistry.
will not do it, sir. They will see everything.
Therefore,
Sir.
if you don't
They-
have any set
We don't do
standard for
Yes,
considering that who can fit into your definition of expert, on what basis you are
sir.
saying
It is
that
not so that
papers
any
are
application is
to
received, then he is to be given work. It is not like that.
પણ એટલા expert ની તમારી વ્યાખ્યા શું છે? That's what I'm trying to know.
Fine. Sir, I will get in writing and hand it over to the Honorable Court that on paper.
You must have deliberated the issue with your officers.
So far as experts are concerned, sir, I am told that they invite applications from the academicians.
Where is one
It might be-
advertisement? Show me.
Not advertisement, application. Advertisement से नहीं मंगाता.
આ તો એપ્લિકેશન એટલે તો કોણ લખતા વખતા ને જ કહેવાનું ને 10 જણાને કે તમે એક એપ્લિકેશન આપ મોકલી આપજો ને.
સાહેબ એમને ઓળખાણ કેવું સાહેબ જે એકેડેમિશિયન હોય એની ઓળખાણ
એટલે
it
it
is not
comes
by
to that only.
advertisement. It is not by advertisement.
Those who want, those whom
advertisement
you
no,
want
you
to
know, sir,
choose, you will ask him to apply
Sir, advertisement
as an expert.
if it is a legal field, then
Therefore,
we
have you set any standard for considering that
Sir,
who can be said to be expert?
professors, they approach professors, lecturers, and if some legal profession is then retired judges, they take the advice of those people in the field.
Would I place everything on record? Whom you
I will bring.
whom are you considering as experts? Whether you have any set standard for considering anyone expert?
Normally, sir, what happens that if, as I said, that if it is a subject of engineering,
If a
then
person-
we go
if
to
a
the
person-
colleges. From the colleges, we take the names who are the experts.
કોલેજોમાં પણ lecturers, readers, professors, head of department ઘણા બધા હોય છે.
Sir, we
What is your standard that you should not be less than HOD? Or lecturer also will do.
sir, આ રીતના થતું હોય. That is what I
એટલે
understand that from whether you go for lecturer, reader, HOD. Sir, because I also know, so in legal profession, they go to the retired judges. That is what I am conveyed, and from them they get the names. Otherwise, it is difficult for them because they don't release advertisement for that.
if this much care is taken, then all these issues could not have cropped up.
ગુજરાતીના something like that.
So take instruction on this. Whether these so-called experts are really expert of the subject or not.
And sir, I am told also that if something like if any bad experience is there from the expert, we never give any work to them. It is also there. Sir. It is
No,
not so
again,
that
the
only because
composition
his name is there, we give the work. We verify the working style. If anything has happened in past, then we don't consider him as an expert. We never give work to them also. But sir, I will satisfy the honorable court for the present case is concerned.
At least till now I am not satisfied.
So if the honorable court takes up the matter finally, I will satisfy the honorable court that which are the. I have to satisfy the honorable court that who are the experts and what is the criteria with the commission to decide that he is a expert in that person. Sir, we don't invite public advertisement. By way of public advertisement, we don't.
Therefore, it becomes a matter of discretion.
Not
Whosoever wants work will have to say yes to whatever you say.
sometimes the professor or the lecturers don't come forward because it may happen that they may not be ready to give the services as the paper setter. In many cases, it happens. For whatever reasons, they don't come forward. I have to tell the honorable court, not by way of affidavit that he is the expert. I will just take the instructions in writing.
Required, I'll ask for affidavit as well.
Sir,
So ultimately, people's career is at stake.
definitely, sir. We are conscious about that, sir.
Doesn't seem
We
so.
can, sir, with utmost request, sir. We always take care of the students, sir. Our endeavor is to see that
See, how many
nobody.
petitions are filed?
Sir, બધામાં સેમ ક્વેશ્ચન છે એટલે 10 ક્વેશ્ચન છે એના પર સર
Well, ultimately,
આવે છે સર.
how many persons are aggrieved?
Sir, in fact,
And that because
what happens
of,
is
that
all,
because
sir,
of
if the honorable court,
Mr. Joshi, because you have chosen a paper setter who himself is not sure about the answers.
sir, this is one side of side of the picture, sir. In this matter, some petitions are
there
sponsored.
any-
If the honorable court permits, some petitions are sponsored by the coaching classes, sir. Sir, they have created.
Yes, I saw you sitting beside Mr. Virk in the morning, so you are adopting his submission.
No, sir. In this case, they have formed one Telegram group. They are
What is wrong
joining
in
it,
it?
sir.
What is wrong in it? Ultimately, if ultimately you have committed a mistake, gracefully accept it that you have committed a mistake. It should not become
In
an
fact, we have
equal issue.
rectified it. Whenever there was our mistake, we have rectified it. But it is